Lights in Icon Creator. Icon Creator uses a temporary scene, giving you the freedom to adjust light as you want. Start by creating any icon. Let's open the Lighting Settings menu. To review your scene's illumination, you'll find things as the ambient color, skybox, and other settings, which you can adjust to suit your needs. The Light Explorer. It lists all the lights currently in your scene. Let's locate the directional light. You can customize its properties such as rotation, color, and intensity. Feel free to add more lights to your scene as needed. Pro tip: once you've nailed the perfect lighting setup, convert it into a prefab so you can reuse it easily in the future. Thanks, and use the comments.